See, actually, I hope everyone installed that Power BI, right? If anyone facing the installation of the Power BI, please let me know. Any issue, if you guys are facing any issue while installing the Power BI in your device, please let me know that. Everyone installed? I
No,
hope
I'm
everyone
not.
installed.
Uh,
Okay. Okay, the installation is a very simple thing, right? A straightforward thing. If you need to go for, give me a second.
Are you
Just I'll
talking
give you
about the
some.
Power BI desktop?
Okay, more than enough. Power BI desktop, we are going to discussing that. I hope everyone getting my screen right. Everyone getting my screen right?
yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. Fine. Now, if anyone did not install, please follow this. Okay. See, if you are using that Windows 10, everyone I hope using Windows 10 only, right? Anyone using Windows 8? Anyone using Windows 8?
No.
Okay, fine. Thank
No.
you. Now we are going to using that Microsoft Stores, okay, to install the Power BI desktop. Now what I will do is I'm going to opening that Microsoft Stores. Straightforward thing it is. No need to worry. Simply you need to search. See, if you want to download any application in your mobile, what you will do? Simply you will go Google Play Store, right? Now there you will search that Power BI desktop. You will be get this. Observe carefully. Okay, you will get this. Just click on here. Actually, I did pass. Why? Because I mean I installed already, so that's why I did not install that right now. Now just click here. There is a password, right? Here you will get as a get application or install application. You can get it. Okay, simply it will be download and you can install that. While you are installing that, if you are facing any issue, please let me know that. And the on the document also I will share to Google Classroom or the WhatsApp group. Okay, I will share that. I mean installation document. In your WhatsApp group as well as I will share that in your Google Classroom also. Okay, if anyone did not enroll, please enroll this course and you will get the recording sessions as well as you will get the documents also. Whatever the topics we are discussing here, everything will be in the documents. The theory part I will be shared to you in the Google Classrooms. Is that clear, everyone? Please go through the recording sessions also if anyone unable to attend that recording sessions. Is that clear? Clear, everyone?
Yes, Manapan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you. See, actually, what we discussed is yesterday's session. Just I'm recapping that. So, what we discussed in the yesterday session, once I did install that Power BI desktop, once I did install that Power BI desktop, what I will do, these are all the operations I'm going to using that, right? See, in the data pan, give me a second. Okay, fine. In the data pan, what I will do, okay, and in the visualization span, what I will do, in the filter span, what I will do, I told you that. And apart from that, we are having that report view, we are having the table view, we are having that I mean model view. Okay, so these are all the operations we discussed yesterday, right? I mean insert, what I will do, what I'm having this insert, what I'm having in the modeling, what I'm having in the view, what I'm having the optimize, each and everything I did explain, right? Yes or no? Everyone clear with that, right? Now today what I will do is just I'm going to getting the data, I'm going to collecting the data from the data source, and I will try to explain that data, what the data is available, what type of data it is. Okay, exactly what is the data is available in the data table, what are the records are there, what type of business is going on that, each and everything I'm going to explain that. Try to understand this. If anyone having the questions, I'll give you the time, you can ask me that. Okay, fine, clear? Clear, everyone? Now what I will do is just I'm going to getting the data. See, as of discussing, as I discussed, if I need to get the data from the different data sources, there is a ways. Okay, there is some ways. What are that? So we're having the get data here. We can get from the we can gather the data from the here. Now we can gather data from here also, or else we can gather data from here also. Okay, right? Clear? See, while you are working, these two are not available. These two are not available. While you are working, this get data only available. Okay. Now initially, what I have to do if I'm following that architecture of the Power BI, what I have to do initially, I need to get the data, right? Yes or no? So I need, see, please be active. Okay, please be active. When I'm asking any one question, you guys are need to respond to give the answer. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Please.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Now I'm going to getting the data. As I told you, we are able to get the data 99 plus data sources. Okay, 99 plus data sources. Now in this 99 data sources, I'm going to explaining you the data source, which is Excel workbook. Why? Because everyone having the Excel workbook, right? Everyone know this. Everyone having installed in your PC Excel it is. Yes or no? So in the Excel, we are having one data, and that data we are going to getting that into Power BI. Okay, clear, right? Now when I'm selecting this data source, I need to select the data source. I need to click on connect. Once I click on the connect, give me a second. See, once I click on the connect, I'm opening the data sets. In this data set, in my device, whatever the Excel files are available, what is that? Whatever the Excel files are available, it will be giving you that. See, in these all are my Excel files. These all are my Excel files. So in these Excel files, what is the data I'm going to working on is, I'm going to working on sample superstore data. I need to select that. Okay. Now what I have to do, just I need to select that Excel data source. Once I click on the once I'm going to connecting with the Excel data source, I'm able to get the data files. What are the Excel files are available in your device, those files only you are able to get it. Is that clear? Now in those files you need to select which one you want. Clear? Now I'm going to selecting the data. So far I did not explain anything about the data. Okay, just I'm going to explaining the superstore data. I'm going to click on open. See, observe carefully what is going on here. Connecting. Okay, now I'm going to selecting that orders. Both are same, but what is the difference between these two? What is the difference between these two? Did I told that? It is my
Yeah, one is
table
a
icon
table
and
and
this is my sheet
another is a
icon.
sheet.
Yes or no? Now once I did selected this, once I did selected my table, okay, once I did selected my table, you are able to preview of your data, what data is going to import into your Power BI. Okay, what data is going to importing into your Power BI, it will be showing you that. Now the preview data is available here. Now what you have to do is, just you need to click on load. I will let you know about the transform data later. Why? Because right of now, as of now, we are not discussing anything about that. Just focus on the load only. Okay, don't worry about this. We'll see that. Okay, transform data, we'll see that while we are discussing that Power Query data. We'll see that. You no need to worry about it. Now focus on the load. Now when I'm click on the load the data, see the data is loading that. Please observe carefully what is giving here. Creating connection in the model, loading data to the model. See the size of the data, it is showing you that. How many rows are there, this data, it is showing you that. Now as we discussed the data pan, if you observe that this is my data exactly what we are having. I told you that, right? What is the data pan? What we can do in the data pan? What it will be giving you that the entire columns of the entire field names for the data table. What are the field names are there? It will be giving you that, where I can view my data in the Power BI desktop in the table view, right? Yes or no? Clear everyone? Clear everyone? If you observe that, this all the column, this all the field names or all the column names will be giving you in my data pan. Is that clear everyone?
No, 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 no. So how did you get to the how did you get to this point?
Which one?
This point where you are right now?
See, this is my views are there, right? The left
Yeah.
side of me, we are having some views, right? Which is report view, which is table view, and which is model view. Now, if I need to view my data, I need to go for table view.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Now, in the table view, whatever the data is imported into my Power BI from the data source, all the data you are able to see here. Okay, now if you guys are observe this row id, order date, ship mode, customer id, customer name, segment, country, and we are having again the city, we are having the state, we are having the postal code, region, product id, and then category, subcategory, the product name, as well as we are having the sales, quantity, discount, and profit. This is all exactly the data what I'm having, original data. Clear everyone? Now if you observe this, these fields names are only having in my data pan. These fields are only having in my data pan. Is that clear everyone? Now the point is, you need to know that, the thing is, you need to know that we are having some data, we are having some fields. See, whenever we are having the data in the tabular form, whenever we are having the records in the table, we should know something. What is that? Is exactly the data type of the records, the data type of the column, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Now how to identify that? See, now when I'm in the report view, I need to create a visual. If I need to create a visual, before that creating your visual, something about your data. Okay, now when I'm saying that, you need to know something about your data. See, if you observe that there is a category, are we done this? Are we done this? The data types, how to identify the columns, which is a categorical column, which is the numerical column, which is the date information column, whatever we are having the data here. Are we done this? Are we done or not?
Uh,
Hello,
yes, we did yesterday.
we did, right?
Yeah, I
See,
mean,
actually, if
you're
anyone
asking
did
about
not
how to
attend
identify.
that, yes, how to identify the column data type,
Yes, we did
right?
yesterday.
Yes. So if anything I don't have before the before the column name, I can consider that as a categorical column, which means the text data type it is. Now, if any column before column we are having that summation symbol, which is summation symbol, that we should consider as numerical data. If any data column name or the field name, if we are having this icon, which icon it is, calendar icon, we can consider this as a date type information. Okay, see, commonly what is the data types will be having in the data table? We're having one thing which is numerical data, and one is string data or the text data or categorical data, and again we are having that date data type. So these data types we need to understand that. Okay, now coming to the data path, sorry, coming to the table view, we are able to get the data here. Now what are the records are there? We need to understand that. Why? Because see, if you follow that architecture, see, remember carefully, if anyone did not understand the architecture of the Power BI, please let me know. Why? Because the next 2 months, for the next 2 months, we are going to working on Power BI only by following architecture of the Power BI. Is that clear everyone? Is that clear everyone? Now, initially what I have to do, if I need to work in the Power BI, initially what I have to do, initially what I have to do, please respond anyone.
What?
If
Can
I
you
need
repeat
to
the
work on
question?
the Power BI, initially I need to load the data, I need to gather the data, or I need to collect the data to the Power BI from the data source. Yes or no? Have we done this?
Yes.
Yes, we
Have
did
we
that.
done this?
Yeah.
See, yes, by getting the data, I have been collected the data. I have been connected the data to the Power BI from the data source, which is Excel data source we are using here. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, it's
Is
clear.
that clear? Yeah. Now, what I have to do, I need to understand the requirements. Okay. If you need to get what are the requirements I'm trying to say here, before that you have to understand what is the data available here, what are the records are there in your data. We are going to see that. Okay. Now why I'm saying is, if you're having some requirements, if you need to understand that, you should know what about the data, right? You should know what about the data, right? Yes or no? Now if you observe that there is a row id, okay, there is an order id. What is order id? Anyone? What is order id? We are having something about the order date, we are having something about the ship date. Now let me know what is order id.
Order ID is text.
It's okay, text it is. I'm asking that, generally I'm asking that order id. Where you will get it
Usually,
order id?
what?
Where you will get it this order id? When you will get it order id?
When you order something,
When you order something in any one application. Which one application?
like Amazon,
Yes, like Amazon
Flipkart.
or Flipkart.
So
What are those?
we can say other ID is a unique identifier.
Yes, exactly. Order id is unique identifier. It's okay. I'm asking that, where we will get me someone saying that Amazon, Flipkart, any Mintra, any one application, right? Now my question is, what type of business that is?
Retail.
E-commerce.
E-commerce, exactly. Thank you so much. See, e-commerce business, in the e-commerce business, while we are going to ordering, while we are trying to get any one product, we are going to ordering that. For that, we are having that order date. For that, we are having the ship date. When you ordered your product, you will get some order ID. Why they will be giving you order ID? Why they will be giving you the order ID? To track your product where it is, right?
Yeah,
Yes
to
or
it's
no?
a reference number of your order, whatever you
Yes.
have.
Whatever order you did, okay, whatever order you did, that order, it will be where it is exactly, it will be tracking by use of order id. Yes or no? Okay. Now there is an order date when you did order, there is a ship date when you will get that order particularly. Okay. Now coming to here, there is one more thing available. Ship mode. Ship mode. What is that? Ship mode. What is ship mode? What is ship mode?
Shipping mode is
The ship
like
mode. What is ship mode? Anyone?
shipping mode is nothing but you'll have different kinds of deliveries, right? Like the standard will take 3 to 4 days,
Yes. Yes.
first class, and
Yes. So we are having standard. See, let's see that what are the records are there in the ship mode. We are having something records which is first class, which is same day, which is second class, which is standard class. Now everyone know the same day, right? Everyone know the same day. Now what is first class? What is second class? What is standard class? What is this ship mode? While you are ordering anyone, you are able to select the ship mode, which one is available here. If you selected first class, what will be happen? If you select same day, what will happen? If you select second class and standard class, what will happen? I need to analyze that. Why? Because if there is any requirement on the ship mode, how I can identify, how I can understand that requirement? Yes or no? For that, what I have to do, whatever the record is available in your data, you should be understand it clearly. Now coming to this first class, I will try to explain this what is the first class. Okay, now when I'm filtering that first class, see, if anyone need to filter your data, please observe carefully what I'm doing here. Just drop down this, observe carefully, just drop down this. Here you are able to get your records, whatever the records are there in that particular column. Now you need to filter, now you have to filter whatever the records you need. Now what I'm doing here, I'm going to filter that first class, click on OK. Now what I'm getting here, whatever the first class data is there in my data, that only I'm able to get it here. Okay, now what I'm doing is in the ship mode I did filter which is first class. Observe carefully what is ship mode, the first class ship mode. What is the first class ship mode? It is now if you need to understand that, observe carefully. Order date is available, ship date is available. Now there is order date which is 4th May 14th May 2017, 17th May 2017. How many days are there? The difference, what is the difference between these two dates? How many days?
3 days. 3 days.
14,
3 days.
15, 16, 17. I will say that, I can say that, I could say that 4 days it is. Why? Because when you order, that day also need to count. Yes or no? See, for example, I did my order for today. Okay, I did my order for today. Today also I need to count. Yes or no? I cannot count it from tomorrow. Is that clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
So that's why I'm saying that 14th to 17th there is a 4 days. Again, if you observe that 27th August 2019, 30th August 2019, how many days are there? How many days? If you need to get that product,
4 days.
4 days.
27, 28, 29, 30. It means 4 days. Yes or no? Now coming to here, 23rd to 26, 4 days.
Same 4 days.
So October 2nd, October 5th. How many days?
4.
4 days.
4 days.
24, 27. 4 days. 6th to
4 days.
9th. 4 days. 19, 13th to 15th. 3 days. 3 days are there. Now, if you observe that, wherever the record you can take in for the first class, what is maximum days to get, I mean, what is the maximum days you can get your order? 4 days only, right?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Now, while you're ordering any one product in this business, if you selected the first class ship mode, within 4 days, you will get that. Within 4 days, you will get that. Is that clear right now? Maximum within 4 days, you can get it. It could be, it could be, it could be 4 days or 3 days, whatever it is. But the deadline or the margin line to get your product, it could be 4 days only. Is that clear, everyone? Yes, right? What is first class ship
Yes.
mode? Okay, fine. Now we know everyone same day. Same day means, let's see that also. We know everyone, but we have to see that same day. When you ordered your product, 30th, we are getting 30th. 18th, we are getting 18th. 15th, we are getting 15th. 30th, we are getting 30th again. 26th, we are getting 26th. I think no need to explain anything about the same day, right? Wasting of our time. Yes or no? Yes or no? Everyone know this, right? Same day.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, fine. Now coming to the second class ship mode. What is the second class ship mode? Observe that how many days is happening to get your product. Within how many days you will get your product? Observe that 3rd
3
September,
days.
6th September,
3 days.
3 days only. 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 days.
4 days.
See, I'm saying again, when you order the date, when you order the product, I mean that date also you need to calculate. You need to consider that day also. Okay, 13th July, 15th July, 13, 14, 15, 3 days.
Yeah, some are 4 days and
22nd
some
September.
are 3 days.
Yeah, anyone having the maximum days, 11th to 15th, 15, anyone data, 11th September, 15th September, how many days?
5 days.
5
5
days, right?
days.
5 days, right? Now, if you observe these data for the ship mode, which is second class, there is 5 days maximum days to get your product, to get your order. Okay, which means when you order any one product in this business, in this application, whatever the application it is, okay, whatever the application which is e-commerce application, if you selected the second class ship mode, you will get your order within 5 days. Either it could be thought 3 days, it could be 4 days, but maximum deadline to get your order is 5 days. Is that clear? What is second class? What is second class? Is that clear? If you observe any one record, if you observe any one record, we'll see that also. Why? Because if anyone having the doubt, 8th and 10th, 29th, 31st, 25th, 29th. What is this? 25th, 29. 5 days only, right? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
So it means if you selected the ship mode, which is second class, okay, if you selected second class in the ship mode while you are ordering any one, within 5 days you will get it. Okay, now coming to one more thing is there, we need to get that also, we need to understand that also. Finally, we are having in the ship mode standard class. What is standard class? Now what is standard class? 14th September, 18th September, how many days it is? 5 days. Yes or no? Now observe carefully. 3rd December, 9th December, how many days it is? In how many days you will get your order?
7 days.
7 days?
Yes, 7 days.
7 days only? 8 days? 7 days or 8 days? 7 days or 8 days? 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. It means 7 days. Maximum there is a 7 days. Now coming to here, anyone having maximum days more than 7 days? Anyone observe that? 21st September, 26th. Anyone observe that? More than 7 days? If anyone observe that, means please let me know that. See, observe carefully. The data analysis is very, very important to you. Why? Because if you did not understand your data, what are the records are there in your data table, you cannot get what is the requirement you do have. You cannot get means you cannot do your requirement. You are unable to satisfy your requirement. That's what I'm trying to say this much time for the data. Today only the
So,
explanation of data will be. Today only the entire session will be explaining of the data. Why? Because for the next 15 to 20 sessions, we are going to discussing only this data set.
okay.
Don't ask me anyone if it, I mean, while I'm creating that any visualization, what is the ship mode? Don't ask me anyone. What is a standard class?
Okay.
That's what I'm
See,
trying to say that.
do you
The
want to
row
go
ID is
back?
7686.
Sorry.
Row number 7686 has 8 days.
8 days. 14 to 21.
14 to 21 February.
Row ID.
7686.
Yeah, that's the one.
Okay, thank you so much. So 14th February, 21st February. How many days?
8 days.
8 days. Okay. So if you observe this data, when I'm having the ship data, which is standard class, we are having 8 days maximum days. Okay, maximum it will be taking to get your order 8 days. It could be 4 days, it could be 5 days or 7 days, whatever it is. But Within 8 days only you are able to get your order. Is that clear now? What is standard clause? What is standard clause? Clear everyone? Any doubts in the ship mode data? Any doubts? See, we are having first class. Okay, we are having first class, we are having same day, we are having second class, we are having standard class in the ship mode. Now we are able to get understand if there is any requirement from the ship mode, we can understand it clearly. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yeah, that's right, man. Yep.
Yes, exactly. Thank you. Now there is a customer ID. There is a customer ID. We know that what is ID. The customer ID means based on the customers, they will be giving you one ID to identify you. Why? Because if anyone know that the exact number of the customers for Amazon, anyone know that the
Sorry,
number
can you repeat your
number of the
question?
customers? I'm asking that how many customers are there in Amazon?
We don't know.
We don't know, right?
Millions.
Right? Not only you, if anyone working in Amazon also, they also don't know. Why? Because many people are there as a customers in the Amazon, right? Yes or no? So how they can identify that? Based on customer ID only. Yes or no? Based on customer ID only. How they are creating, how they are giving the customer ID in this business? There is a customer name. Observe that carefully. There is a customer ID and customer name. Now observe carefully. First customer ID is CB dash 12025. I don't know how they given that 120, but I'm sure the CB is the first name and the first name, first letter for the customer. Cassandra Brando. CB. C from the this name, B from this name. First name and last name for the customer. The first name, first letter from the first name, or first letter from the last name, I'm getting that. If you observe that this GM also, if you observe that again we are having this customer, again we are having this customer. If you observe that, I think they are giving the customer ID based on our name. Observe anywhere. Yes or no? Harry Mary. HM. Did you got my point what I'm trying to say here?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now customer name means it is the name of the customer. Okay, we know that also. Now coming to the segment. Coming to the segment. In the segment, what are the records are there? We are trying to understand that. Now segment means the type of the customer it is. Segment means the type of the customer. How I can say that? See, there is no anything about the type of customers, but when I'm discussing about the segment, directly I'm saying the type of the customers. Why? Because we are having some records. There is consumer, there is corporate, there is home office. Now let me know who is this consumer customer. Who is this consumer? What is consumer actually? What is consumer? Who is this consumer?
The person buying the product.
A person buy the product. Corporate also can buy the product. Home office also can buy the product. But what is consumer?
Maybe a single person.
Single person. Okay,
Receiving the product.
End
everyone
user.
can receive the product.
End user.
End user. Mhm. See, actually, I'm the person. I'm the person. I'm getting order something myself, which is mobile. Now, who I am? I'm the
Consumer.
consumer.
Personal usage.
Exactly. That's what I'm trying to say. That who is the
What is
consumer?
that?
If anyone order the product for themselves only, that customer will be called as a consumer customer. Yes or no? Who is ordering the product for personal use? That person, those customers will be called as consumer type customers. Okay. Now coming to the corporate. Did you got or not? Did you got or not? What is the consumer it is?
Yeah, we got it, man.
Is
Let's move on.
purchasing,
Yeah,
Yes.
we
who
got it.
is purchasing the product, who is purchasing the order, sorry, who is going to order from, I mean, for themselves only, for that customers will be calling as a consumers. Okay, now coming to the corporate, who is this corporate? Who is this corporate?
It's an office supply office. If it's for a group
Office
of
means
people or
public uses, right? Yes or no? See, right now I'm working in organization. In that organization, the organizer will be ordering one product, which is monitors or any laptops, anything. It could be, right? Yes or no? It could be
yeah,
anything that
anything
will be
for
used
office
for,
use.
yes, that will be used for public purpose. Who are ordering that product? Those customers will be called as corporate. Okay, those customers will be called as corporate. Now coming to the home office. Home office. Who is this home office? Home office customers. Now, do you know everyone the printers? I'm just simple example. It is a simple example. Everyone know the printers, right? Xerox machines. Yes or no? Everyone know that.
Yes.
Yes.
So the printers I can use for the organizations. The printers I can use for my personal. The printers I can use for my public uses. Yes or no? Yes or no? In the offices, in the organizations, I can use the printers. For my personal business, I can purchase, I can buy it, I can use it myself, okay, for the public purpose. Yes or no? Yes or no? So, who is ordering the product for personal use and public uses? For those customers, they are giving this as home office customers. Now let me know if any one requirement I'm having from the business segment, from which type of customers I'm getting something, from which type of customers I'm getting something. If I'm having that requirement, can I understand that requirement? Can I understand that requirement right now? Why? Because we know what is consumer, we know what is corporate, we know what is home office. This segment is, you can say, as type of customer. Who is that? Clear everyone? Clear everyone? I hope everyone clear, right? Any doubts in this
Yes.
segment? Any doubts in this segment? Any doubt or any confusion, please ask me and please let me know that. We need to discuss around these are all the columns we need to discuss still.
You
Please
can
respond.
proceed. Yeah, good.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. So now we're having the country. How many what are the countries are there? Okay, we need to check. Okay, why? Because the customers, the business users will be maintain the business in different locations, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? See, for example, you can take that Amazon, not in India, right? Not in India. Yes or no? They're maintaining entire global. Yes or no? Across world they are maintaining the business, right? Now, as well as if there is any business, see this business, if there is any one country, we need to understand that. Okay, now in which locations there is a business, this business is going on in United States only. So now what I can understand this business, now there is a business which is e-commerce business, which e-commerce business in the United States. Sir, no, this business is going on in United States. This business from US. Can I say that? There is only single country. Okay. Now, when I'm having the country, okay, I should have city, I should have the state, I should have the postal code and the region and then product. Okay, up to region. Okay. Okay, up to region. Okay. Now, my question is, observe carefully. Now my question is, there is a product name column. Okay, there is a product name column. Product name means we know that. Okay, this is my product name. Now okay, it's difficult to read that. Now let me know that, can anyone read this product name? Can anyone read this product name for me? Please try.
Fellows 8, outlet superior, workstation, surge protector, W by O, phone or fax or modern protection. Modern protection.
Okay. Thank you so much for reading. Thank you so much for patience. Thank you for your answer. Now, same thing. Let me know this product ID.
It's OFF-AP-1000-3040.
Now, which one is better to identify my product? Is the product ID the product name?
Product
Which one is better
ID.
to call my product?
ID.
ID, right? Why? Because shortly I'm having one name. I can call that, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Why? Because to identify the product name, why they are giving the product ID? Did you got it right now? There is a product name. Why we need product ID? Directly we are having the name, right? Directly we are having the name. Then why we need product ID? That is the reason. Every time we cannot call this product name like this. Not only this product, we are having many products like this. We are having many products like this. The lengthy names, right? Now, if they need to address, if they need to call that particular product name, if they are using the product ID, it is very easy to call that. Yes or no? Yes or no? So that is the reason they everyone having, I mean, every product having one product ID. Okay. Now we can identify the product with the ID. Okay, no issue. Now coming to the category. Now in this category, what are the categories are there? Okay, if you observe that product ID, category, subcategory, product name, sales, quantity, discount, profit, if you observe that the entire data what we are discussing from product ID, the entire data is regarding product details. Did you got my point? Did you got my point? Now coming to the category. Now what are the details are there, what are the records are there in the category? We are having furniture category. Everyone know this, right? Yes or no? We are having office supplies category. We are having technology category. Three categories are there. Everyone know this, I think, I hope, right? Furniture we know, office supplies we know, technology we know. Now I'm asking that, I'm asking that I'm having a dining table. Which category it is? I'm asking
Furniture.
the question. Furniture, right? I'm having double cot. What is that? Double cot bed. Furniture only, right?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
I'm having one mobile. What is that category?
Technology.
Technology.
Technology. Now you let me know. Office supplies. Give me one product. For example,
Computer.
computers, right? So we're having some categories of the product. For that categories, we're having some subcategories. Okay, in these subcategories, we're having some product names. Now, in the subcategories, what are the products are there? We need to understand that. These all are the products. These all are the subcategories. Now we'll see that we're having the technology. Okay. Now what I will do is just I'm going to filter in the technology products. See, technology subcategories are accessories, copiers, machines, phones. Which product is making with the help of technology, by using technology, which product is making, manufacturing, that is these products, subcategory products. You got my point? What are the technologies are there? Yes or no? For these technologies there is subcategory. In this subcategory we are having something product names. LG G3, Samsung, what is this? Samsung LB3, Apple iPhone 5C, phone CTs. Did you got everyone? What is category? What is subcategory? Okay, while we are creating the visualizations, mostly we are using these categories and subcategories. Mostly categories of every column we are going to using that. No need to worry about that. But we need to understand the records. What are the records are there in your data table? Now we know the category, we know the sorry. Now we know the category, we know the subcategory, we know the product. Now coming to this, there is a sales. We know the sales. What is the sales? What is the sales? What is mean by sales? You guys are need
Sales
to understand the
price.
business cases.
Number of products that they have purchased.
Number of
Products being purchased.
number of products you have been purchased, that will be called as the quantity. I'm asking that sales.
Price of the product maybe.
Selling product.
What is these three? What is sales? What is profit? What is cost? What is price?
Oh, sales maybe how many items were sold in that particular section.
What is this?
Okay. Sales.
Now I'm having one product which is mobile. Oh, okay. Phone, I'm giving that. Phone. For the phone, I'm having 30K. Okay. I'm having 30K. What is this 30K? Price or cost? Price or cost it is?
Cost.
How? If you're saying that cost, let me know that what is the cost. If you're saying that price, let me know what is the price. Okay. You guys are need to search on that. Okay. Now there is one more thing. Actually, I need to say that one more thing only. Phone, I'm having 25K. Again, I'm having the phone.
So I
It
think
is
sales is nothing but during a period of, I mean, in that particular period, how many sales? I mean, how many um, quantity of each item was sold, something like that.
So can
okay.
we say so can we say assets or goods exchange for money?
Now, what is the sales for these products? Simply, I'm giving an example. What is the sale?
Mm,
What is the sales I got from this product?
65K.
What is this?
that is
30,
profit.
40,
Mm,
65, right? I'll
65K.
let you know what is profit. I will let you know what is profit. Okay.
okay.
Now, what is this? Can I say this is my sales? Can I say this is my sales?
Yes, I
Now,
mean
I
in that.
got the sales. I got the sales for the phone product 65. Sir, no?
Yes.
Sir, no?
Yes.
Now, how I got this? How I got this?
It's a profit. Three phones you sold.
Okay. Now there is a
Cost and price
quantity.
are both the same, right?
Sorry?
Cost and price are both the same, right?
No. We need to understand that clearly. Why? Because the business cases you have to understand, not only a subject. Okay? Not only a subject. Now let me know what is cost. Anyone understand this? Please explain this.
So cost is something. which is an amount you pay to get the product.
Exactly, right? Now, okay, fine. Now, I'm having a business which is I'm doing the manufacture. I'm having a company. I mean, the manufacturer company. Now, if you need to purchase any one bike, if you need to purchase any one mobile, if you need to purchase any one four wheeler, where you will buy? Will you buy directly at manufacturer?
No,
Will you buy directly at manufacturer? Where you will buy?
we'll buy with some third party. I mean,
Showroom.
not.
Exactly, from third party you will buy that, right? Where you are buying that, you are where you are getting that your product, they will be giving you one cost per that. Yes or no? They will be having some cost. Now the third party is purchasing at me. Okay, the third party is purchasing at me. I will be having something price for that product. What is that? What is that? To manufacture that product, I will be having some price. I invested something called, I mean, I invested something money to manufacture one product. For example, to manufacture one product, I'm having $100 or 100 rupees. Assume that I'm having 100 rupees. I invested 100 rupees to manufacture one product. Okay, to manufacture one product, I invested 100 rupees. Now, if I need to get the profit, how much I need to decide that price? If I need to get the profit, I have to give that product for 120 rupees, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? I should be having one some profit, right? Yes or no? Did you got my point or not?
Yes.
I'm having a product, I'm making that for that one to, I mean, I'm making that for 100 rupees. Now I need some profit for the I need to get the profit. It means 20 rupees I need to get the profit from that product. Now what is this price? This price, to whom I'm sending this product? To third party only, right? Yes or no? To third party I can give this. Yes or no? The price. Now these third party will be giving you some cost. Whether it is 130, whether it is 140, whether it is 150. Now who is deciding the cost? Not manufacturer deciding the cost. They will be deciding some price which is list price to this customer. These person is customer for my third party is customer for manufacturer. These price, wherever you are purchasing, wherever you're buying that, you are the customer for the third party. You are not customer directly to me. You are the customer for me, but not directly to me. Did you got my point? What I'm trying to say, that you should know that what is sales, what is profit, what is cost, what is price, what is quantity. The business cases you have to know that. We are going to discussing that also, not only the the power based subject here. The real time scenarios we are going to discussing here. Is that clear, everyone? So what is cost? We got it. Any doubts? Any doubts here? Any doubts? Anyone doubts what we are discussing? I'm asking you, anyone doubts? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Forgot about all the thing. Now I need to understand what is the sales. I need to understand what is the quantity. Okay, I need to understand the what is the profit. Okay, now if I need to get the profit, what is the thing I need to get the profit? I'm having 65k sales. I need to get that profit. There is a cost of this. Okay, there is a cost of this. I need to get that profit. How I can get that? Can I say this? Can I get profit right now? Sales minus cost.
Yes.
Yes, right?
Yes.
That's what I'm trying to that's what I'm trying to say for you. What is sales? What is quantity? What is discount? What is profit? Discount know everyone, right? Why? Because wherever the discount is there, I should be there. Wherever the discount is there, more discount, I should be there. Definitely, I should be there. Yes or no? Yes or no? 0.8%, 0.7%, 0.6%, 0.5. Not only percent, it is 0.5 discount. They are saying that. The discount should be always in the percentage. Yes or no? Yes or no? Anything measurement, anything unit for the discount? Anything is there? Except a percentage. I'm asking you a question. Please answer for that. Please try to answer for that question. Anything
Can
is
you
there?
repeat your question?
See, I'm asking that there is nothing mentioned in the percentage in my values, but I'm saying that the discount always be in the percentage. Anything unit for that discount? Is there any unit for that discount? I'm asking that you. I'm having 20. I'm having 20. I'm having sorry. I'm having 50. I'm having 65. Now they mentioned that is a discount. Now let me know what is this. It could be a percentage or anything. It could be a percentage or anything. It could be percentage or anything. It
I
could be
think
percentage or
it
anything.
can be percentage.
That's what I'm trying to say that. Why? Because they did not mention anything it could be. Just they given a discount of the column it is. They did not mention anything about the percentage of the percentage symbol here. But I can say it should be percentage. Why? Because the discount should be always in the percentage value. That's what I'm trying to asking you. Accept this percentage. Anything you need to give? Anything you need to give except this? Nothing, right? Discount always should be percentage. Wherever it is. Wherever it is. Yes or no? Yes or no? That's what I'm trying to say this. Okay. How much percentage of the discount is there? 0.8 percentage, 0.7 percentage, 0.6 percentage. Maximum we are having 0.8 percentage of the discount for the products. This is all about my profit. I don't have any price here. I don't have any cost here, but I know how the profit is came here. I know what is the sales. Now we are done. What is exactly the data and the records are there? Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, everyone? As I told you, the entire session will be taking for data explanation. Is that clear? Any doubts? Any doubts?
No.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Now, if you observe this data, if you observe this data, now we are having order ID, order date, ship mode. What is this data? What is the data? Can I say that order details? Can I say this order details? Sir, no?
Yes. Yes.
Now we are having customer ID, customer name, segment, country. What is segment? What is segment? The type of the customer, right? Sir, no. Which type of customer he is? Now there is a city. Okay, up to segment. Customer ID is there. Customer name is there. Customer segment is there. Customer type is there. Now what is this data? Can I say this?
Customer details.
Okay. Now coming to again here, there is a country, there is a city, there is a state, there is a postal code, there is a region. Now what is this what is these details? What is this information? Can I say this? Geographical details. Geographical information it is. Yes or no? Yes or no? Country, city, state, postal code, region. Up to here, can I say this data is geographical data? Are we done? Are we done or not? Please respond product ID, category, subcategory, product name, and sales, quantity, discount, profit. Now, what is this? What is this? Can you see the product details? Can you hear me, everyone? Can you hear me, everyone? Are you with me?
Yes.
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 So I'm saying that we are having something data regarding this, which is orders details, customers details, geographical details, product details. This all the details I'm having in a single table, which is ready-made data to create any one visualization. Now I'm trying to say that we are going to working on a simply ready-made data to create a visualizations. Okay. Now what you are going to learning? The first thing you are going to learning is basic visuals. What is that? How to create a visual, how to create a report. You are going to learning that. After that, we are going to see the DAX. After that, we are going to see that ETL or Power Query. Again, we are having that. After that, we are going to see that OBS services. Finally, we are going to seeing one database is SQL. Clear everyone? Do you have a picture what we are going to learn?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So that's all about for today. I'm going to leave. Okay. If anyone did not enroll this course, please try to enroll this course. Okay. So the regular sessions is going on. If you please try to enroll your course. Why? Because you are able to get that recording sessions and any document I'm going to uploading. You guys are able to get in Google Classroom only. So please try to enroll. Maybe tomorrow they are going to change that link to attend the sessions. So please, if anyone need to enroll this course, please try to go and enroll this. Okay.
Okay.
uh, yeah, anything else, anyone need to discuss any doubts? Actually, there is no time here. Sorry for that. I'm having one more session at 8 o'clock, but this is 8:05. Sorry for that. I need to go for that. Okay.